Alright guys, welcome back. So Palantir. So pretty much everybody probably talking about this one, but we have predicted this one pretty much a mile ago. Somewhere around here, I made a video. I even tweeted about it when it was hovering around 105, saying that 125, 135. Where do you guys think it will finish? And then I tweeted it and I also posted it. Is it going to finish the OPEX around 125, 135 or 85, 95? That was my tweet. And pretty much market was split. And then I made a video saying that I think it's going to go just push higher, just like Nvidia has done. And it looked like the same. If you are new, just go once back. And I think after I started talking about that one, I think I was very early because I just recognized that pattern. And I saw all other people who pretty much were talking about exactly the same thing, but they didn't know when it would drop. But I was expecting that drop that happened yesterday actually happen today and tomorrow. But that's okay. This is something I was watching. Maybe I was watching a little bit higher price towards like 132, 134-ish area. But that's fine. There was a headline and that pretty much caused the whole basically option guys come in and start buying aggressive puts, and I traded it as well. I was a little bit late, that's why I traded a spread. I even mentioned it in the Discord. So essentially I risked almost $0. I went initially with $1,000 and I took off the $1,000 off the table and walked out with 7K at the end of the day today. So this is something I'm expecting to do, and I was expecting it to do. So this is Nvidia's chart back in 2024. After earnings, similar price action, gaps up, and then it dumps. And again, this is not the only stock that does. It has been the theme in general. If you trade options, you understand, where people just buy calls, stock runs up into the Friday expiration, and especially the big option expiration, such as February was, I mean, it's about to happen tomorrow, monthly OPEX. So essentially every third Friday of the month, that's your option expiration for the monthlies. Okay, so I was expecting people take profits on their options and maybe start rolling and stuff today, tomorrow, but that's okay. Similar price action. So this is Nvidia. You can see what happened. Flushy move from its highs. It just comes down in a matter of like 3 trading sessions, comes down 15%. But again, this is a $1 trillion stock, okay? Multi-trillion-dollar stock that has done it at the top. We're talking about Palantir, which is 200 and something billion, 250 something billion, which has dropped 25% in a matter of 2 days. Of course, you're gonna see some sort of a dip buyers, but I'm not expecting this name. Probably chop around here, stay around here. So as long as this 124, I gotta bring down. I even had a alert at 130, which never hit. That's okay. So I think top is in for me personally. So anytime it tries to get up to these 124-ish levels, 120-ish levels, I would be looking to acquire some cheap puts, because I have mentioned this earlier as well. Somewhere around here, I did a spread on Friday-ish, like $90, $95 spread, very cheap, and then I sold it out, and then I just created another one yesterday, which happened to pay today. So I'm watching this name basically hover around here, maybe even come down a little bit, but this is the 50-day moving average, 88. That's your support now. So if it tries to push, then I would be interested to buy some sort of a put into April or something like that. But right here, right now, if I'm gonna trade, it's going to be just like yesterday, maybe just go in and out. So my guide is Nvidia. If you're a fundamental guy, or if you're just in love with this stock, I mean, it's these videos are purely for entertainment. It's not a recommendation for you to buy or sell. A lot of people who own shares, they do covered calls. So that's a smart idea, but again, you have to talk to your financial advisor to pretty much pick their brain and maximize your gains. So I personally talked to my CPA, which is an accountant, happened to be also a futures trader. She guides me a lot when it comes to navigating the holdings and stuff, trading stuff and all that stuff. So if you have one, definitely consider talking to your financial advisor. These videos are not a buy or sell recommendation. This is a short one, I know. There's not much to talk about. I don't care about the news about the stock. I trade the chart, and I'm watching basically those levels, and essentially the stock could come down to these $85 levels and potentially fill this gap at some point in the next month or two. So that's my take, that's my update for those people who have watched the previous videos. If you didn't, you can go take a look at it, but that's the update for this stock. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one. Peace.